Secret recipes from the Halloween apothecary. As the chilly winds of autumn blow in, we also start to feel the dreaded sniffles and shivers of the common cold. And you know, in ancient Rome, they didn't just rely on rest and hot tea like we do. Oh no, they used a special concoction to treat colds: licorice root and wine. Licorice root, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, was the star ingredient. Meanwhile, the wine, aside from being a celebratory drink, acted as a warming agent to help fight off the cold from the body. So, if you feel the first tickle in your throat tonight, don't worry. I've got just the thing, a special recipe to keep you warm and in the Halloween spirit, the Emperor's Cold Elixir. Ingredients: 1 liter of red wine, or dark grape juice if you prefer it non-alcoholic. 2 dried licorice roots, you can find them in herbal or tea shops. 1 cinnamon stick, for added warmth. 3 tablespoons of honey, to soothe your throat. 2 orange slices. 3 cloves, optional, for a stronger aroma. A few mint leaves, for freshness, and to help with congestion. Instructions. In a large pot, heat the red wine, or grape juice, over low heat. Don't let it boil, just warm it gently to preserve its healing properties. Add the licorice roots and cinnamon stick to the mixture. Let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to let the flavors combine. Add the orange slices, honey, and cloves. Let the mixture simmer for another 5 minutes, allowing the citrus and spices to blend in. Remove the licorice roots and cinnamon stick from the pot. Serve the elixir in cups, hot, and garnish with fresh mint leaves. This warm, aromatic drink will not only soothe a sore throat but also make you feel like a true Roman emperor, even on the coldest night. Happy Halloween, and may no cold ruin your spooky celebrations. Enjoy, and let both magic and good health be with you.